here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be creating this periwinkle pinkish holographic-ish graphic liner-ish spring-ish summerish look. There we go, get it out. In partnership with Deck of Scarlet. If you are not hip to Deck of Scarlet, Deck of Scarlet is a monthly makeup subscription service. I can't get it out. Okay, what's wrong, baby girl? A monthly makeup subscription service. There we go, honey, get it out. They used to be a bi-monthly subscription service, so every 2 months they would come out with full face palettes in partnership with other beauty YouTubers here on the tube. But now they have become a monthly subscription service, so in addition to their full face palettes that they do in partnership with other YouTubers, they are now expanding the line to include palettes, curated trend kits, and a lot more. So there's more to look forward to from Deck of Scarlet. And do you see this blue, honey? Do you see this periwinkle? She is vibrant, she is opaque, she is there, she is here to stay, and she has not faded. And do you see this highlight? Listen, I put a little bit too much, okay, but she beams, dang, and she's more on the holographic side. I never really put highlighters like this on my face, ended up putting too much, but listen, we're here and she beams like, ooh, follow me, honey. By the end of this video, if you are interested in checking out Deck of Scarlet for the very first time, check my description box down below because there will be a link in which you can get your first month for 30% off. So without further congé, if you are interested in seeing me create this periwinkle pink look using this month's full face palette, then subscribe to my channel. If you are not already subscribed, tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads. And when you tap that bell, an option will pop up. Click on options and ensure all notifications are enabled, including my creator posts. And stay tuned, keep on watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, starting off with swatches of the full face palette. This is how the palette comes packaged, and this one is in partnership with Wesley Benjamin Carter this month. This is what the sleeve looks like. It's so beautiful. I love the artwork. On the right side, you have the 3 shadows, the highlight and blush, and on the left side, you have the 2 lippies. And you also get a glow up jelly highlighter in the shade Extra. Very fitting, honey. First, we have Plush Petal and Berry Bite. Those are the 2 lippies. For eyeshadows, we have Cashmere, Innocence, and Hazelnut. Look at that periwinkle, honey. And for the highlighter, we have Firefly. And for the blush, we have Candy Bloom. And this is the glow up jelly highlighter in Extra that was on my cheeks. I put entirely too much. I'll also be using this rose gold kit that was curated for the month of April. Not made, but I will be using it in this video. We have this all over highlighting stick in the shade Frozen Rose. It also comes with this long wear 2-in-1 liner in the shade Desert Rose. And you also get this high shine liquid eyeshadow in the shade Melting Rose. Now let's get into the tutorial. First, I'm going to go ahead and take Cashmere and I'm going to apply that to my brow bone to uplift it and make it pop and stand out. Then I'm going to go into the blush Candy Bloom, and we're going to use that and work it all into the crease. I'm going to slowly work to build up that pigmentation of the blush. It blends very well, and it actually was very pigmented. So I just blend that all throughout my crease, and then I just work to slowly diffuse it so it has a beautiful blend. Now we're going to go ahead and cut our crease. Take whatever concealer or base you use of your choosing. I'm going to fully cut my crease and work very slow so I can get a very precise and sharp cut crease. Now we're going to go into the shade Innocence, which is so pigmented, by the way. First, I just go ahead and dab it onto my lid with my finger because I feel like the fingers, listen, they work magic, and the color came off so pigmented with my finger. And then to get the more precise areas of my eye, I just go ahead and take a more precise brush so I can get right up against where I cut the crease and then just slowly build up the shadow. Deck of Scarlet, hunty, you get these shadows down pat. Okay, now we're going to take this high shine and liquid eyeshadow in Melting Rose, and I'm taking a very precise liner brush and I'm drawing a line in my crease, and then I will also create a wing with it. This was actually very easy to use. It does dry pretty fast, so you just have to continue to apply it to the back of your hand, put it on the brush, and build up your desired liner. If that's what you're going to use it for, you can also use it on your lid as eyeshadow, but I wanted to play with it and create this graphic liner look, which I love so much. Alright, these are what the eyes look like. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera. Boom, bam, we are beat. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this long wear 2-in-1 liner. This is in the shade Desert Rose. I'm going to tight line my eyes with it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put Innocence onto the lower lash line to balance out the eye. I went ahead and applied some lashes and mascara. Now we're going to take Candy Bloom and we're going to apply that to her actual cheeks. Like I said, she was very pigmented, so I ended up putting way too much. Like, listen, what's new? I'm very heavy-handed. I put too much product on my face sometimes and I don't even need it, but here we are. We're here. And now it is time to highlight. So I'm going to take this Glow Up Jelly in the shade Extra. I put it on the back of my hand and I take a beauty sponge and apply it to the high points of my cheeks. So on this cheek, I applied it very subtly and I built it up, girl. I built it up very nicely, but this cheek, I messed up. So I just had to even it out, but I couldn't really blend it out because it dried super quick. So here we are. Lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and apply Plush Petal to my lips. And this completes my Periwinkle pink holographic makeup look in partnership with Deck of Scarlet. I hope you guys enjoyed this look despite my very extra highlighting moments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye.